Okay, so this is my son, Ronell Tyers. Say hi, Ronell.
Hi.
Okay, so what are you gonna make for us today?
A soap. I made this one. And I think I'm going to put on top the design. I'm going to have like 2 bars of pretty thin soap.
Okay. So you want to flip it and cut it?
Yeah.
All right. I like that.
I was going to use like yellow, white, and purple.
Yellow, white, and purple. And why'd you pick those colors?
Because our smell is, they kind of match with the smells. We have lemon, lavender, and white jasmine.
I think the lemon, lavender, and white jasmine is going to be really nice for the spring, right?
Yeah.
Are you nervous about making soap for the first time?
No.
Why?
Just making sure when it comes out okay.
Okay, but what about the safety? What do you know about safety for soap?
Just make sure none of the lye gets on you, and have some gloves on and an apron. It don't get mess everywhere.
All right, that's a good start. All right, we want to protect our arms. We want to protect our face. We might wear a mask, keep it well ventilated, all that, right, when working with lye.
Yeah.
All right, you ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's get started. Do you watch my videos?
No.
He don't watch my videos, y'all.
Yes, I kind of do.
Step 1 is we are going to measure out our lye water. Okay, so I like to do half of our lye water as ice. So we got some really refreshing Starbucks ice here. This is gonna make our soap like so high end. Could you pour 7 ounces of this refreshing Starbucks ice? Okay, go ahead, do 7 ounces. Seven ounces?
7.25.
That's good enough. 13.3 ounces of water. Okay, beautiful. All right, so our next step is we're gonna put in the lye. All right. Yeah, so tear out the scale. Good job. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna measure the lye separately, just so that in case we make any errors in our measurement, we can easily, put it back. So we're gonna do 5.69, but let's just round it to 5.7. 7, yeah, of lye. Slowly, carefully. You don't have to shake it. Just let it pour.
Oh. You guys scoop some out.
Take a little bit out until you get back to the amount. This is the reason why we measure it out separately, in case we go over a little bit, and we can easily put it back.
It's like switching from 5.7.
Yeah, that's good. Perfect. Now our next stage is we're gonna pour the lye into the ice water, mixing as we pour. So go ahead and put, no. Always lye into water. Okay? Lye into the water, never water into lye.
You said
lye into water, never water into lye.
That's
good.
What's gonna happen?
Just nothing. This is gonna heat up a little bit. Don't shake it, just let it come out. The only reason why we want to stir it while you pour it in is because sometimes it'll clump up at the bottom. And just make sure you keep that lye over the container. If it clumps up on the bottom, it's really hard to break apart. Like it just won't break apart. So just keep going until you get all that lye in there.
It's like stuck now.
Okay, so then scrape it out with the spatula.
Scrape.
And just make sure we keep it over the cup so we don't get any more table and stuff.
Pretty hard.
So making is not easy, but it's fun. You gotta be careful though, because lye is a caustic substance that is corrosive and can burn your skin and your eyes and your lungs. Okay, we're just gonna keep mixing it around until the ice is melting. Just keep mixing it. stir slowly until everything's dissolved, which it looks pretty good. What do you think?
I don't know how it's supposed to look.
Well, all the white flakies are gone, right? It may not get all the way clear, but sometimes it does. It just kind of depends on the water that you use and all that. Our, let's see what the temperature is on our lye water. Okay, so it's 108. So we want to bring that down about 10 degrees. So I think I'm gonna put it in a water bath. So I just have a bowl of, like, I don't know, faucet water that came straight out of the faucet. Just go ahead and put the cup of lye water in there. This is gonna help it bring down the temperature even more. So let's measure out some coconut oil.
So
are we close?
11 point what?
11.4. Look, about 1 more ounce.
Perfect.
Okay, so my son has worked so hard. He's got to take a Starbucks break. Okay, we're going to use the heat from the melted coconut oil to melt the palm oil.
Ew. Just scoop some out.
Okay, so just stir up those oils a little bit. Try to break it up in there. I'm going to use the heat of the coconut oil to melt down the palm oil. Your back hurts? You put 1 oil in there.
My back don't hurt.
Oh, okay. All right, so let's go ahead and do the olive oil. Perfect. 1.9 ounces of safflower oil. Then we're going to do 1.9 ounces of castor oil.
See, what you want to do is 1.8 ounces.
This is science. Okay, everything has to be perfect. Each oil has its own rate of saponification. So if we do not measure it out perfectly, we don't know how much lye would actually be left in the soap. And if we have any lye active left in the soap, that would be bad. So that's why we follow our recipe perfectly. Good.
Oh.
Alrighty. Okay, so next we're going to combine our oils. We have the melted oils, which is almost done melting. I mean, it's pretty good. Once we stick blended, these little chunky chunks will disappear.
Look at that cool effect.
It's almost like a in the pot swirl, but it's oil into oil. Getting artistic already. Now we're just gonna blend the oils up really good. So let's put it on the low and keep it down into the bowl. We already did a little bit of mica into our, a bit of oil from our batch. So we're gonna mix those in. We'll probably put some titanium dioxide in here. But let's go ahead and measure out our fragrance oil. Tell me what that smells like.
Smells like lemon.
Okay. All right, so we're gonna do 0.3. Which one's this one? Neroli
and white jasmine.
All right, neroli and white jasmine. Oh, I like this combination. What's that smell like?
I don't know, it smells like a herb.
A herb, huh? Okay. Nice. Tell me what you think that smells like.
Lavender.
Okay.
I don't know what to say about that.
Do you like it?
Yeah, point King Terra.
Okay. We're gonna do 0.3 of lavender. And just go ahead and pour it into the oil.
All this?
Slowly hold the spatula while you pour it in so it doesn't do the splashing. So both the lye water and the oils have pretty much cooled down to room temperature, and we're pouring the lye water into the oil slowly. So just about 5 seconds of stick blending. The warmer colored oils are probably giving it a slightly tan color, but we'll balance that out with some titanium dioxide. Let's go ahead and pour our fragrance oil into there.
What if it explodes?
That better not explode. Not that kind of science experiment. Okay, go ahead and pour it all in there. Let's see.
That way you just pour in the...
Okay. And go ahead and mix it with the spoon. Okay, I'm working it from top to bottom. Get it good, because we don't have a lot of time to work. You gotta move fast.
True.
This will sit up into soap before you know it. So let's get it stirred up really nice. Something good. It's blending in very nicely. Then a little bit, just not all of it, just a little bit of that. And mix it. Let's see what that color looks like.
I want to like throw it.
Okay, a little bit more, because we want to get it white. Okay. All right, let's get in there. All right, so right now it's just going to mix in our colors. Let's clean it off as good as we can.
We might need more green on them.
That looks good. These colors are got really vibrant. We're gonna pour it in all the way down. And we're just gonna do half of the mold, because Ronell's idea is he wants it to be like a Taiwan swirl. Okay, nice. Pour it all in there. Last color. I'm sorry guys, we moving kind of fast. It's getting thick on us, so we couldn't show. Oh, look at you and your skills. We couldn't show you the other colors, but this is our last color for our Bird of Paradise soap. Yeah, lift it up so the color's on the top. Lift up the... Yeah. And I'll drag it in there. This one, lay it on top of there. Yeah. All the way down to the end. We want every bar to have some of that yellow on it.
Yeah.
Top right now. Now Ronell had a different kind of pattern that he had in mind that he wanted to execute.
Like maybe if we did like what I did, like what this one looks like, but we did it all around, because these look like feathers. You know?
So just that part? You like this part of it?
Yeah, like this one. If we did that for all of it. That'd probably look cool.
Okay, we're just gonna put a little glitter on here. This is Sparkle Me Plenty by Magmicas. Just to jazz it up and make those colors sparkle and shine. A little bit of cosmic.
Oh, that's just a lot of it.
How's that?
It looks like a bomb.
Bomb of greatness? Bomb of greatness? All right, it's day 2. And we're gonna unmold your soap. How do you feel about this?
I would know. It's just like, because we're doing different things. Cutting it with not using the cutter.
Yeah, it's gonna work out. Don't smash your soap though. There you go. Beautiful. Well, this is where we put the stick, the wooden stick. We probably shouldn't have pushed all the way down. We probably should have just went around the top part, not all the way down. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
All right, so Ronell's gonna cut his first bar. Let's go ahead and do it. And we already kind of measured out some little hash marks. So he's gonna do 2-inch bars. I'm just gonna try to go straight down. All right. Now let's see what your bar looks like. Ooh, it's pretty on the inside. Nice. So is it pretty thick?
Yeah.
How's it feel to cut your first bar of soap?
This one's pretty hard to cut.
Did you think it would be that hard after 24 hours?
Yeah.
How'd you know?
Because it was already hard when we were making it.
Yeah, it got pretty hard though. Careful, don't mess up your beautiful art. Don't cut up, don't mess up your, don't get, you know.
Yeah.
A little bit left. All right, let's put them together so we can see what they look like as balls of soap. Your own balls. Nice.
Made a different line.
And bevel the side of the bar. Just clean it up, making it look nice. That's what it look like. Yeah, nice little bevel. All right, we just finished making. Show it off. This. His first soap, you guys. Cold processed soap. What's the scent?
Lemon and jasmine.
Lemon jasmine. Nice. Okay. And what oils did we use? Do you remember? This is a test.
We used coconut oil and olive oil and some other oil.
All the oils, y'all. He did pretty good. I think he passed for his first test.
Yep.
This is a good time. You want to make some more?
Yeah.
All right. So stay tuned because we'll be making more. Thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please click like, right? What else am I supposed to do?
And subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Like, subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Peace out.